Welcome. We finally made it to the end of year and our recognition assembly. While this assembly is not how I envisioned it, we managed to stay a healthy community by adhering to all of our COVID guidelines. Admittedly, it has not been easy. And I thank all of you for doing your part. It truly has been a collective effort. This year, we modified and reaffirmed our mission. We will continue to put our mission in the forefront of everything that we do to build our community by welcoming parents and guests on campus, building our programs and learning experiences, and supporting each other through the process. We've been in person this school year after 18 long months of being in online school. It has been challenging and exhilarating. Our focus remained on connecting hearts and minds. And more than ever, during these unprecedented times, it is important to stay connected and build those relationships. Our focus for this assembly is to recognize and celebrate achievements in the honor roll, in specific subjects. We will recognize the Mao's opinion piece contest, the Waterloo math competition, services action, the IB Learner Profile, and the EARCOS Global Citizenship Award. All awards and certificates will be handed out in advisories. So first up is the honor roll. This is an academic achievement award given to students who meet the requirements of academic integrity in all areas. For MYP students who have achieved 48 points and no mark lower than a 4. For diploma students who have achieved 30 or more subject points and no mark lower than a 4 will achieve honors, while students with 36 or more subject points will achieve high honors. All diploma recipients for these awards need to have met the requirements for TOK, CAS, and the extended essay. The honor roll for the MYP semester 2 in grade 6 are Yiren, Daniel, Maria, and Sang-Hyun. Those in grade 7 are Alethea, Ellen, Amina, Camilla, Greer, and Michelle. Congratulations. For grade 8, students who have been awarded the honor roll are Bindi, Tamun, Tanun, Undruk, and Huslin. In grade 9, the students who received the honor roll are Amirda, Tengus, Billy, Amy, Saren Zaya, Chingun, Itgelt, Ingun Billet, Tanun, and Michelle. Congratulations to all of you. Those in grade 10 who've been awarded the honor roll are Bilgan Zaya, Desmond, Michelle, Melody, Kiki, Tosh, Amara, Anun, Selmig, Ilios, Ninjin, and Inktushig. Congratulations to all of you. Well deserved and well done. The honor roll for the diploma program in semester 2 is, for the class of 2022, is Nana, Sadbalig, Jimena, and Benjamin. In the class of 2023, Inkjin, Orandari, and Eval. Thank you and congratulations to all of you. Well done. Next up is our subject awards. Our subject awards go to students who have demonstrated a high level of performance, who have motivation and passion for the subject. They show effort and self-awareness, leadership and cooperation in a subject area. Recognition goes to students who have maintained engagement and are in good standing. And those who have achieved excellence are students who maintained a high standard and or have improved to reach a high standard. Students in grade 6 who've been awarded recognition in a subject area are Namiko for individuals and societies, Ngun for individuals and societies, Sanghyung for design, Daniel in design, and Kyla for design. Congratulations. Those who have achieved excellence in a subject area in grade 6 are Daniel for Chinese, Kyla for individuals and societies, and Yiren for math, individuals and societies, English, and design. Again, congratulations and well-deserved. Those in grade 7 who have been recognized for the subject areas is Ellen in science, Zoe in science, and Sophia in design, Michelle in design, English, and science, Jackson in design, and Alethea in English. Well done. Those who have achieved excellence in grade 7 are Greer in Chinese, math, science, design, English, and visual arts. Camilla for science, design, English, and visual arts, and Ellen for design, Alethea for science and design, and Ashwani for science. Well done. Congratulations, grade 7. Those who have achieved recognition in grade 8 are Sawyer in math, Sagadai in math and French, Yesu in English, Gunji in English, Tamun in English, Undruk math, Diamond math, Tanun math and English, and Halun in English. Way to go, grade 8. Those who've achieved excellence in grade 8 are Huslin in math, science, and English, Sagadai in science, Sawyer in science, Yesu in science, Michelle in design, Tanun in science, Tamun in science and individuals and societies, Undruk in science, design, English, and Chinese, and Bindi in design, English, and visual arts. Way to go, grade 8. Well deserved and well done. Those who've gained recognition in grade 9 are Chungin for physical education, Keith in physical health and education, Evel in physical health and education, Tanun in science, Amy in design, Michelle in Mongolian A, Enerken in physical health and education, Agun in physical health and education, Sam in physical health and education, Ingambillig in science, and Billy in math. Outstanding work. Congratulations, grade 9. Those who have received excellence in grade 9 are Mandre in physical health and education, Tengus in physical health and education, ULAAN in physical health and education, Nandan in physical health and education, Billy in physical health and education and science, Michelle in physical health and education, math, and individuals and societies, Inga Billig in individuals and societies and French, Amy in physical health and education, science, and French, Tanun in physical health and education and Chinese, Saranzaya in physical health and education, Amirda in physical health and education, science, individuals and design, or individuals and societies and design, excuse me, Itgel in physical health and education, and Sam in math. Outstanding work, grade 9. Well done. In grade 10 for recognition, we have Michelle for math and Mongolian A, Ilios for math, science, and English, Lincoln in science, Ninjan in science, Tosh in science, Tadbilig in science, and Bibi in English, Selmig in math, Enktushan in science, Kiki in science, Emerson in English, Desmond in science, Namarina in English, and Anu in Mongolian A. Great job, grade 10. In excellence, grade 10 students are Melody for math, Enktajig in math and design, Bulganzaya in physical health education and science, Ilios in Chinese, Emerson in visual arts, Anu in math, design, science, and English, Amara in French design and science, Lincoln in Chinese, and Michelle in science. Great job, grade 10. Recognition for grade 11 are Kauswoi in math and chemistry, Amelia in math, Sengun in history, Josh in math and Chinese, and Inkjin in chemistry. Impressive skills, grade 11. Congratulations and well done. And the students who are recognized in grade 11 for excellence is Orandari in chemistry. Congratulations to all of you. That concludes our subject awards. Next up is our Mao's Opinion piece writer. Thank you to all who have entered the competition. Congratulations to Bilganzaya for her winning entry. Bilganzaya will receive a 25 gift certificate for the bookstore of her choosing. Well done, Bilganzaya, and thanks for your contribution. The Waterloo Math Awards. Every year, the University of Waterloo in Ontario, Canada, sponsors an international mathletics contest. Students answer 20 questions that become more difficult as they progress. This year, ISU students in grades 9, 10, and 11 participated in the contest. There are two types of awards: the highest scoring student in each grade at ISU and an award of distinction from the university for achieving a score in the top 25% in the world. This year, the top scoring students at ISU are in grade 9, Chingun, in grade 10, Anu, in 11th grade, Ben. Congratulations. For the award of distinction, over 18,000 9th grade students competed and over 12,000 11th grade students competed, and the following students achieved distinction for scoring in the top 25% in the world. These students are in grade 9, Chingun, Sam, and Amy. In 11th grade, Ben. Wow, congratulations. You did a fantastic job. And Mr. Noonan and Mr. Bold want to congratulate all of the students who participated and represented ISU. You all will be receiving a certificate of participation and special recognition and congratulations to the students of distinction for their excellent results. Well done. Next up are our Service and Action Awards. The Outstanding Achievement in Services Action Award recognizes students in grades 6 to grade 10 who are positive and good role models for younger students, have assumed a leadership role in one school event during the year, demonstrate a thorough understanding of reflective practice techniques, have conducted services action activities regularly and across a variety of areas, both within the school and outside of the school, and embraces the philosophy of service learning and community service. The Outstanding Achievement in Services Action requires a thoughtful process of investigating a need, designing and preparing to meet that need, and communicating and taking action, and then finally reflecting. The recipients of the award for Outstanding Achievement in Services Action in grade 7 are Alethea, Greer, and Camilla. In grade 8, Eva. In grade 9, Saranzaya and Tanun. And in grade 10, Ninjan and Bilganzaya. Congratulations and thank you for your service. Next, we have the IB Learner Profile. This award promotes success in and out of the classroom. For a student to be well-rounded international baccalaureate learner, they must be able to balance many different areas of life while maintaining individual excellence in academics. The award is to recognize the student based on exemplifying 5 or more of the attributes of the IB Learner Profile. The IB Learner Profile at ISU aims to develop internationally minded students who recognize their common humanity and shared guardianship of the planet, and they help to create a better and more peaceful world. ISU learners do this by being inquirers, knowledgeable, thinkers, communicators, principled, open-minded, caring, risk takers, balanced, and reflective. Essentially, these attributes together are the characteristics of a well-rounded global citizen, which is a portrait of the ISU graduate. Students in grades 6 and 7 who've earned 5 or more attributes of the IB Learner Profile are in grade 6, Kyla, Namiko, and Yirin. Grade 7, Alethea, Greer, Ellen, Jackson, Michelle, and Sophia. Well done. Those in grades 8 and 9 who've earned IB Learner Profile awards are in grade 8, Bindi, Diamond, Ginji, Tanun, Sagadai, Huslin, and Undruk. In grade 9, we have Amirda, Amy, Ingebillet, Itgelt, Keith, Mandre, Michelle, Nandin, Ulan, Saranzaya, Tengus, and Tanun. Congratulations, everybody in grade 8 and grade 9. IB Learner Profile Awards for grade 10 and 11 go to, in grade 10, Bilganzaya, Ninjan, Anu, Inktujig, Michelle, and Selmeg. In grade 11, Josh, Kausoy, and Orandoi. Our last award is the EARCOS Global Citizenship Award. This award is presented to a student who embraces the qualities of a global citizen. The student is a proud representative of their nation while respectful of the diversity of other nations, has an open mind, is well-informed, aware, and empathetic, concerned and caring for others, encouraging a sense of community, and strongly committed to engagement and action to make the world a better place. Finally, the student is able to interact and communicate effectively with people from all walks of life while having a sense of collective responsibility for all who inhabit the globe. It is my pleasure to present this prestigious award to Orandari. Congratulations, Orandari. And congratulations to everyone. Great work. Whether or not you received an award today, each of you has grown in so many ways, and your teachers and I are all very proud of you. It has been a great in-person school year, and we are excited to see what next year will bring. We will see you back on August 23rd. If you are leaving ISU, best of luck. You will be missed. Bye. Bye, everybody. Have a great summer.